Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. So, Xbox mode just dropped for Windows 11, and it is awesome. But here's the thing. A lot of you are probably sitting there looking at your settings and thinking, where is it? Don't worry, you're not going crazy. Xbox mode is here. It's on your computer. It just hasn't been switched on for you yet. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and how to manually unlock it in just a few minutes. Let's get into it. Okay, open up the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type ViveTool GUI. Find the app in the results and go ahead and install it. It's a free tool available directly from the Microsoft Store, so no sketchy downloads, no weird websites, totally safe. Once it's installed, while you're still in the Microsoft Store, go to the Downloads section and hit Check for Updates. This is important. You want to make sure the Xbox app specifically is fully up to date, because Xbox mode won't activate properly if the Xbox app is outdated. Wait for everything to finish updating before moving on. Okay, everything is updated. Now let's open ViveTool GUI. When it launches, you'll see a text field where you can enter feature ID codes. I'm going to leave the exact code you need down in the description below, so don't worry about memorizing it. Just copy it from there and paste it right into that field. These codes are basically the same registration ID numbers that Microsoft uses on their end when they push the feature to your device remotely. We're just doing it ourselves, manually, right now. Once you've pasted the code, click the Enable button. A confirmation message will pop up. If everything went correctly, you should see a message at the bottom of the screen saying something like, "Configuration applied successfully." That's your green light. Now, close everything and restart your computer. I know, nobody likes restarting, but this step is non-negotiable. The feature won't show up until you do a full reboot, so just save whatever you're working on and let it restart. Once your PC comes back on, go to Settings, then Gaming, and there it is. Xbox mode, right there in the menu. Beautiful. Now, to actually enter Xbox mode, it's super easy. Just press the Windows key plus G to open the game bar. Then go to Settings inside the game bar, and you'll see a button that says Enter Xbox Mode. Click that, and you're in. Honestly, it doesn't get much simpler than that. Now, one thing I want to be upfront about before you do this. Microsoft rolls out features gradually on purpose as a safety measure. There's a chance your specific hardware or software combination hasn't been cleared yet, and that's why it hasn't been pushed to you. So technically, the safest option is always to just wait for it to arrive naturally. But if you're someone who uses their PC primarily for gaming and you really want to try this now, the risk is genuinely quite low. Just go in with that understanding. Fair enough? And if you want the full breakdown of what Xbox mode actually is, how to set it up properly, and all the features that come with it, check out our other video on the channel. Link is in the description. And that is it. In just a few steps, you've manually unlocked Xbox mode on your Windows 11 machine, ahead of everyone else. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed to Passionate About Tech so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.